Dysfunctional immune response. From this lecture, you will learn about dysfunctional immune system, types of immune dysfunctions, hypersensitivity, autoimmune diseases, immune deficiency, and cancer and immune system. Inappropriate or dysfunctional immune responses can result in a range of disorders. Dysfunctional immune system. Immune response is a multi-component interactive system that protects host from pathogenic invasions. But failures in the functioning of these systems do occur, but these are very rare. But in case of failures, they can be dramatic and often garner great deal of attention. Immune dysfunctions occurs as a result of improper regulation that allows the immune system to either attack something it should not or fail to attack something it should attack. Categories of immune dysfunction. There are three broad categories of immune dysfunction: hypersensitivity, autoimmune disease, and immune deficiency. Hypersensitivity is overly zealous attacks on common benign but foreign antigens. Autoimmune diseases is targeting of self-proteins or tissues by the immune cells. Immune deficiency is the insufficiency of the immune response to protect against infectious agents. Hypersensitivity reactions. These result from inappropriate and overly active immune responses to common innocuous environmental antigens such as pollen, food, and animal dander. The possibility that certain substances induce increased sensitivity rather than protection was recognized in about 1902 by Charles Rejection. There are several different types of hypersensitivity reactions. Some of them are caused by antibodies, while others are caused by the T cell activity. Most allergic or anaphylactic responses involves a type of antibody which is called immunoglobulin. Binding of immunoglobulin E to its specific antigen, that is called allergen in this case, it induces the release of substances that cause irritation and inflammation, or the accumulation of cells and fluids at that site. When an allergic individual is exposed to an allergen, the symptoms may include sneezing, wheezing, and difficulty in breathing, that is asthma, dermatitis or skin eruption, and in severe cases, it can also cause the strangulation due to the constricted airways. Autoimmune diseases. Immune system malfunctions and a breakdown in self-tolerance occurs. It can be caused by a sudden inability to distinguish between self and non-self, or by a misinterpretation of a self component as dangerous, so it's causing an immune attack on host tissues. This condition is called autoimmunity, where your own immune cells attack your body. The symptoms of autoimmunity differs depending on which tissue or organ are under attack. Like we have an autoimmune disease, multiple sclerosis. It is due to the autoimmune attack on a protein in the nerve sheaths in the brain and central nervous system. So this malfunction results in neuromuscular dysfunctions. Also, another example is Crohn's disease and rheumatoid arthritis, which is very common, is also examples of autoimmunity. The reason for autoimmune diseases can be both genetic and environmental factors.